Hi everybody, welcome to Manufacturing Day, Gold Eagle Company, where we preserve and protect the things we love. Manufacturing Day, all about opening doors and opening minds, and we are joined with some special guests here today, our friends from the Richard J. Daley College School of Engineering. Manufacturing Day was started by our neighbors here in Chicago, the National Association of Manufacturing.
There are about 500,000 unfulfilled manufacturing jobs in the U.S. today. We project in the next few years it's going to be over 2 million. This is why it's important for all of you to come in, see manufacturers, see what they do. They're very exciting. I love seeing the women here today. That's absolutely inspiring. Congratulations. I hope you choose careers. Fantastic. Gold Eagle, thank you for inspiring these students to pursue careers in manufacturing.
Manufacturing represents a key component within the Illinois economy, and Gold Eagle represents one of a variety of companies that service a multitude of industries in Illinois.
So you can see real life what you're learning in the lab is actually going to come to attrition out in the field somewhere.
Manufacturing in America is enjoying a renaissance, and we at the NAM want to help manufacturers create jobs here in the U.S. and create economic growth here in the U.S. along with jobs. So we really appreciate what you guys are doing by opening up your facility, not just to students, but to us, to everyone, showcasing world-class manufacturing at its finest.
It really has a lot of benefits, not just for Gold Eagle and the community, but it helps in many different facets. If we can stick with that American-made mantra, we can control a lot of our own destiny. We can control things such as quality, supply chain, different things that may be outside the regular realm of having to be dependent on foreign countries to make our product. The more that we can strengthen our workforce and our processes to make things here in America, things will be great.
This year, for Manufacturing Month, we're proud to present Gold Eagle with the Governor's Proclamation. It showcases Gold Eagle's commitment to manufacturing. It showcases Gold Eagle's commitment to the community. On behalf of Governor Rauner and the Illinois Department of Commerce, I'm pleased to present this proclamation to Jesse and the Gold Eagle team, declaring October Manufacturing Month in the state of Illinois, and recognizing the immense contribution Gold Eagle has made to our community and to Illinois. Thank you.
Thank you, Illinois Department of Commerce and Economic Opportunity, the National Association of Manufacturers. Happy Manufacturing Month, happy Manufacturing Day, and let's continue to help folks preserve and protect the things we love. Thank you very much.